Hello everyone, welcome to Akam the Creation channel. Today we are going to hear a little life lesson story The Merchant's Reward. Come, let's get into the story. The Merchant's Reward. Long time ago, there was a merchant called Azad. He decided to buy a camel for his travel. So he went to the market. He bargained with the camel seller and bought a good camel. Azad was really satisfied with that camel because the camel was really good in its condition. He sat on the camel and rode to his house. After reaching his house, he called his servant and asked him to tie the camel in the camel's tent. Before that, Azad tried to remove the bag which was on the camel, but that was tied really tight. So Azad called his servant to remove it. After getting the order from his master, the servant of Azad removed the backpack which was on the camel. While he removed that bag, one small treasure bag fell on the floor. Immediately, the servant rushed to Azad and said that he found this bag on the camel's back. Azad opened the bag immediately. To his surprise, saw some precious stones in that bag. Azad's servant immediately said, "Wow, Huzur, lot of precious stones. Today is a lucky day for you. This is a gift from God. Keep it with you." Azad immediately rushed to the market. He approached the camel seller and handed over the bag and described what happened. After hearing Azad, the camel seller was so impressed on what he said and pleaded to Azad to take some precious gems. The camel seller said that he wished to award the truthfulness of Azad. At that moment, Azad showed a tint of smile and said, "I already took 2 gems." So the camel seller counted the precious stones. He was surprised, as no precious stones in that bag were missing. The camel seller asked Azad, "Sir, no stones are missing. I am surprised for what you said." Now Azad replied patiently, "The 2 gems which I have is my honesty and self-respect." Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Thomas Jefferson. Don't lower your standards for anyone or anything. Self-respect is everything. Being honest is the best principle. More than that, even if you get a chance to divert but still follow honesty, it's the best of all. Never ever give up your self-respect. Teach this to your kids. If our next generation implements honesty and self-respect as a principle, then they are going to make the world better. Let's follow and teach the same for our younger ones. Thank you. Thanks for listening to the story, The Merchant's Reward. If you like the story, please do share with your friends and family. And please comment and subscribe to our channel, Akam the Creation. We will catch up in our next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.